recipe like no one has taken you through anything before.
Now ask yourself, are you ready? Okay.
I'm ready.
You're ready. We know you're ready. We have to put 3/4 of a cup of flour into this mixing bowl. We first need to mix all the dry ingredients. Now we're going to put 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. This is baking powder?
Is big.
1, 2, 3. Mix it all up. Nice, nice, nice. Now we need a pinch of salt.
Only a pinch because it will it extracts all the flavors of every ingredient in the mix.
Now that we have our melted butter, we need to add it in. It's supposed to look like damp sand.
Okay, then this is exactly what it looks like. Looks like damp sand, everybody.
Now we need to beat in the eggs one at a time.
What's not beating?
No one cares. When have I ever followed a recipe? Never.
Well, that's not very good. One at a time, everybody.
One at a time.
So this is 1 egg. Where's Ernest?
Currently doing something else.
1/4 cup milk. Going in. That's a little more. That's okay. Anna doesn't understand numbers that much.
And we need half a teaspoon of
When
vanilla
the-
extract, so we're just going to estimate here.
Good.
There we go.
It's a little too much. It's okay.
So we'll give it a taste. I just want to quietly pan. If we don't have enough for all of them, then we'll just...
Cupcakes are coming out of the oven. So we've baked these cupcakes at 400 degrees
Okay, I'm not going to...
for about 15 minutes. Anna being very excited.
Oh my god! I put the whole stick of butter. We are experiencing technical difficulties.
Wait,
for your bones.
good for your phone.
We